In this video, I am going to be showing you how to develop a multi-purpose e-commerce website using WordPress. Now, the whole idea in this video is so that you can actually watch me implement this in this video, and then you follow my steps, and then you can get the exact same result. Now guys, if this is the first time you're seeing any of our videos, we share educating videos of this sort. We teach you what is working in the internet space and things you need to know as a web developer. So if this is the first time you're seeing our video or coming across our channel, subscribe to this channel and then turn on the notification bell, because this is the only way YouTube is going to notify you whenever we release educating videos of this sort. So guys, let's get started. Now in this video, I'm just going to be giving you a walkthrough and my steps of developing a multi-purpose e-commerce website. Now before we proceed, I want to quickly give you an introduction and an overview of what and how an e-commerce website works. Now, if you've known what an e-commerce website is and what it is used for, you will agree with me that it is a platform or a kind of website that helps you to sell your products and be able to collect payments from your customers in the internet space. Now, it's a kind of website that helps business owners to be able to sell their products in the internet, and even while they are sleeping, they can sell their products and customers can come to their website, purchase products, and then get their product delivered to them. Now on my screen here, you can actually see that this is the typical example of an e-commerce website right here, where someone can actually a gadget e-commerce website. So these guys deal on gadgets. They sell laptop, they sell MetaQuest and all of that sort. They sell gadget phones and let's say random gadgets, or they sell phones and they sell other wristwatches and stuff like that. So this is a typical example of an e-commerce website where vendors can sell their goods and customers can come on their website to make purchase. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to develop a website just like what you've been seeing on my screen. So this is a fashion e-commerce website. This is a tool and machine selling e-commerce website. This is an electronics e-commerce website, just similar to the gadget one. And this one is this is also a mega market e-commerce website where you can sell tools, you can sell gadgets and all of that. So guys, the whole idea is I'm going to be showing you how to develop this robust websites. You've been seeing me show you a preview of them on my screen right here. I'm going to be showing you how to design this website using WordPress, and you know what this means. We are not going to be touching any lines of code, as this is just going to be drag and drop. So it's easy peasy guys. So I want you to stay with me from the beginning of this video till the end of this video, because that is the only way you are going to get my exact strategies and procedures to set this up, so that you can actually get to learn this, deliver this kind of project to your clients, or do it for yourself, and you can actually charge a huge amount of money to deliver this kind of website to your clients. Now before the end of this video, I am going to tell you how to get access to all the softwares made use of in this video, and I'm also going to be showing you how to make money using this strategy in this video. So guys, I have a lot in store for you guys, so let's get started. Now I just want to show you. So this is a multi-purpose e-commerce platform where you can actually set up any kind of e-commerce website. Now you can set up, being a multi-purpose e-commerce website, you can actually set up a food e-commerce website, you can set up an electronics e-commerce website, you can set up a fashion e-commerce website. You can actually, whatever website, as the name implies, is a multi-purpose e-commerce platform that will allow you to set up any kind of e-commerce platform to sell your product. Now I just want to give you some quick demos of how this works. So you can see a lot of demos right here on my screen. You can have the demo mega electronics, you have the mega market, you have the demo plant. Now this demo plant is where you can actually sell e-commerce products of plant. You can actually sell e-commerce of homemade stuff. You can sell e-commerce, you can build an e-commerce website for fashion, you can build an e-commerce website for electronics, fashion. You can build an e-commerce website for someone that sells eyeglass. You can also build an e-commerce website for someone that sells coffee, tools. You can build an e-commerce website for someone that does fashion, books, shoes, sports, and a lot more guys. Someone that sells food, you can do an e-commerce website for them. So guys, this is a multi-purpose platform and it's something you need to learn how to do which I'm going to be showing you right in this video. Now let's continue. Now if you check on my screen right here, you are going to see that these demos are just in one platform. As you can see right here, you can actually set up any one, whichever one you want. It could be the demo, it could be the demo for food, for architectural works, for lawyer platforms, and whatever e-commerce website you want to do out there, this software is going to do it for you. So guys, you can see, let me show you some quick demos right that we have right here. So now let's say this, you want to do an e-commerce website for a fashion brand. Now this kind of website is a kind of website that where clients and customers can actually come on the platform and they can purchase any kind of wares, any kind of fashion whatsoever. They can purchase them and then get their products delivered to them. So you can see that this is an e-commerce website for a fashion brand. So these people deal on female wears. You can see it right here on my screen, and you can see that from here. Now you can see that whichever one you touch here, the image hovers and shows you some preview of the clothes they are selling right here. And this one is built with several pages. You can see you can go over to the shop segment, you can go over to the blog, you can go over to other pages and other elements. You can also buy from this platform, and it also comes with the ability for you to log in and register for yourself. Now you can see that whichever one you want here, you can actually come here and then select the ones you want. So I'm just taking you and giving you a quick overview of the kind of stuff. So guys, before the end of this video, you should be able to develop any of this kind of website that I've shown you here on my screen, whether it be the electronics website, whichever kind of e-commerce website that you may need or your client may need to sell their products online. You are going to learn how to build that before the end of this video. So let's say, for instance, I want to just make an order of this particular MacBook laptop right here. You can see that it says this product is in stock, and this let's just go through the details of the product. Now you can see that this we got the inspiration of building this from most of the most popular e-commerce platforms out there. We have the Amazon and all of that sort of this same category. So you see that their platform is good, and that's where we got the inspiration to build something as beautiful as this. Now you can see that this is the laptop, and whichever image I touch right here is going to hover for me. Now you see that the description of this Apple MacBook Pro is listed right here. So it has 2 customers reviews, and see the pricing of the goods. And you see, you can add this to cart. You can see the description of the product, you can see the color, you can see the pickup, the delivery, because we are going to also build this in a way that your clients can also track their orders, because they can come to your website, place an order for a particular product, and they can also track this product when it is being delivered to them. Now you can see that you have an update here that 20 people watching this product at the moment. You understand? You're going to get all the statistics of any product listed here. And another cool feature of this platform we are going to be building in this video is that the admin of this platform has a total control of whatever thing that happens in the system. Now, ranging from listing of products, you can be able to also collect payment sitting right in your home from your clients through your website. So it's a lot in stock for you guys in this video. So I want you to keep watching this video. So as we proceed, you can see that you can actually use many details here. It accepts PayPal method, you accept MasterCard, and a lot of payment gateways, as you can see right here. And it also has frequently bought together with. Now most you can agree with me that someone that wants to buy a laptop will also look at getting a mouse. So that is why you've seen this. So we also have where you are going to set all this from the admin. Now you can actually see that this is the product description, and all these things, all this specification and all this description of the product that you're seeing right here has been updated by the admin. So the admin has full control. The admin can manipulate, he can delete products, he can add products, he can do whatever stuff that is needed for the smooth running of the e-commerce platform. So you can see I'm just giving you a walkthrough of how this works. So let's say now I want to add this product to my cart and I want to purchase this product. I want to purchase this product. Now you see that this is my shopping cart, and you can see that I have two products already added to my cart, and the total worth of this is worth $238. So now if I want to purchase this product, I'm just going to click on checkout. Now, similar to this kind of website here in Nigeria, you can see that we have a website like Jumia, Konga, Gigi, and all of these kind of platforms. These are all e-commerce websites. So you can see that the same thing you do there is the same thing you're going to be learning how to do in this video. Now you can see that I've clicked on checked out, and it's brought me right here. So where asking me to create an account and all of that, and I can also have access to place my order right away. So you see I don't have any active account. You can see you can select different payment informations. Now here you can see that you have a check payment, you have cash on delivery, you have cash on delivery right here, you have cash on delivery, and you have check payment, you have direct bank transfer. So whichever way you want to make your payment on this platform, it is provided right here for you, and you can see the total sum of what you're purchasing. So what you just have to do is come here and click on create an account. So let's say if we want to create an account, you just have to click on this place and create an account. So but I don't want to do that. I'm just showing you how this works and what you are going to be getting to learn before this video ends. So guys, I've been able to show you some of the demos and some of the things you should be able to build before the end of this video. So I'm going to be taking you step by step on how to develop and upload whichever thing you're seeing I've been showing you right here on my screen. So you can see that all these are platforms that you can actually do for yourself or for your client. Now let's just check one more platform right here. Let's just say maybe this one. Let's just do a live preview and open it on a new tab. So it's opening for us right here. So as that is going on, let's check some stuff. So guys, this is some of the things you're going to be learning in this video. So guys, I'm going to be moving over to the next segment of this video. Now I just want to show you how to get started with doing your website. Now the first thing you need to get is your domain name and your hosting. Now there are good servers which will be compatible with a platform such as an e-commerce website. You need a very good server for you to be able to set up a platform that is going to be like this, because an e-commerce website needs you to upload a lot of images, a lot of files. If the hosting provider you're using is not compatible with it, you may at some point get some disruptions or some error that may lead to maybe the banning of your website and stuff like that. So you don't want something like that. So you want to make use of a good platform. Now in the description of this video, I'm going to be leaving my affiliate link there, and it's a good host for you. You can use them to set up your e-commerce platform, and the whole stuff there is a win-win for the both of us. If you make use of my referral link in the description of this video, you're going to be getting a free domain, and me on my own end, I'm going to be getting a little commission for referring you to the platform. But however, it's a good platform, and just as you've seen on my screen right here, we've been able to set up this platform on my screen and it's working perfectly. So it's actually a good recommendation for a good and compatible recommendation for an e-commerce website. So let's proceed here. So you need your hosting and you need your domain name. So with these two, you can actually get started with doing your website. And I want you to have it at the back of your mind that we are going to be using WordPress to deliver this kind of website in this video. That is to show you that you are not going to be touching any line of code. And trust me, if you've not done this before, if this is the first time you're seeing or getting to learn how to do a website, in that you are a newbie into the space of doing websites, or even if you're a professional already, this video will be a very helpful guide for you. Because if you're a newbie, I'm going to be going step by step from the beginning till every detailed thing you need to know if you're as a newbie. And then on the other end, if you're a professional, I'm going to be also showing you how to get to make money from this stuff. So whichever one you are, this video is something you need to watch. So guys, if you're already getting value from this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button below this video, turn on the notification bell, and already I want you to comment in the comment section of this video e-commerce. because this is going to help this video get to a lot of people who need to learn how to develop a multi-purpose e-commerce website, and it's going to they're going to see this video and then get to learn more about it. So let's proceed. Now let's go over to a new tab. Let me show you. Okay, let me just close up all these demos that we have right here so you can see them. So let me just open a new tab and let's search for a hosting. So now let's say you want to make use of Namecheap. Namecheap is one of the hosting providers that is good also. So let's say Namecheap. So let's go over to Namecheap. Yeah, namecheap.com. So what we want to do now is we want to get our domain name, our hosting, and with this we can actually start doing our website. So I'm taking my time to show you all the procedures so that even if you've not done this before, this video is the best bet for you. So here on Namecheap, Namecheap is a registrar that where you can actually get your domain and host it. So now let's say we want to do an e-commerce website for let's say a gadget. So let's focus solely on a gadget e-commerce platform where you sell stuff like phones, and yeah, let's say a gadget e-commerce platform. So now what name are we going to give it? So let's just say we have a random name that shoots that. So let's just say gadgets hub. Let's say gadget hub arena.com. Okay, let's just say .org. So let's say, because I'm trying to do this so that let's be sure that the domain name will be available. So we are going to be doing an e-commerce website for a gadget. So this is also applicable to whichever kind of e-commerce website you want to do, and for whatever kind of product. So as the name implies, it's a multi-purpose e-commerce platform, and I've been able to show you some up to almost 30 demos of different kind of e-commerce platform that you can use, and you can use it for your work. So now let's do this. So let's click on search and let's be sure that that domain name is available. So follow my procedure, guys. That is the whole idea in this video, that you can follow my steps and then you get the exact same result I've gotten in this video. So let's wait for that domain to load up. Okay, so the domain is coming up, so I guess that domain should be available for us to use. So let me just, wow, so yeah, the domain is available. So this domain is available for €6, and if this is good with you, if that's the name you want to give your website, you just have to come here and click on add it to cart, and let's wait so while it's adding to cart for us. Whoa, so it has been added to cart and we have $7 right here, €7. So after doing that, the next thing we need to get is our hosting, and what you should get is your shared hosting right here. So let's wait for that to come up. So with your domain and hosting, yeah, so this is what we have here. So this first plan is good if you want to be doing it for yourself, but most times if I'm doing something like an e-commerce website, I always go with the second plan. So this plan, it has more benefits because an e-commerce website needs a lot more stuff. So I'm just going to click on get started right here. So whoa, so you see that that has been added to my cart. So you see, I just want to use my new domain. I don't have an already existing domain. So this is the new domain I want to use, the gadgetshub.arena.org. So guys, if this is cool for you, you just have to proceed to make this deposit, and then you're going to get your domain name and hosting. Now this is €39. Now in the most recent times, our if you're getting something from Nigeria here, it's difficult for you to make use of your Nigerian debit card to make payments in dollars or in euros. Now we've recorded a tutorial in the channel right here that shows you how to get a virtual card that will enable you to make any online payment in whatever currency you want to do. So that's said, guys. I'll be leaving in the link to the video in the description of this video, so hop onto that video and watch that if that is what you want. So now, if this is okay for you, just add this to cart, and you'll be having a total sum of some euros right here. So it's loading up. Let's wait for that to load up. So now, if this is good for you and you're doing this for a fresh client, you just have to get this domain and hosting. Now we have the subtotal of how much. So this is the total subtotal of 39 euros point 19. So this is the total amount of we are going to be paying for our domain, which is Gadget Hubs Arena, and then our 1 year hosting Stellar Plus plan. So everything is worth 39 euros. So if you're getting this for a new job or for your new work, you need to proceed and get this domain name and hosting. So but I'm doing this for solely to educate you and solely for tutorial purposes. So I'm not going to be getting a domain name and hosting. I already have a server where I'll be teaching you this from. So but if you're doing this for a fresh work or for yourself newly, go ahead and purchase your domain and hosting. And after that, this registrar, let's say Nametree for instance, they are going to send you your cPanel login details. So it is from your cPanel. The cPanel is a short form of control panel. So it's from your control panel that you can start installing the CMS we are going to be using to do this work, which is WordPress. Now, let's say you've gotten this email and you've received an email from your hosting provider. You'll be seeing what you just have to do. Let's say you continued purchasing this domain name. Let's copy that domain name. So for you to log on to your cPanel, what you just have to do is your domain name, Ctrl+V/cPanel. So panel, so that is okay for me. So you hit enter and it's going to prompt you to a login page where you're going to put your, okay, you see it's not going to open because this domain name we didn't purchase it. But if you purchase this domain name and this hosting, is going to prompt you to put your domain name, your email, your cPanel username, and then your cPanel password, which is going to be sent to you on an activation email that is coming from the registrar you purchased your domain and hosting from. So now once you log on to your cPanel, you're going to be seeing an interface just as you've seen here on my screen. So as you can see right here, it says cPanel, and this is right here on your cPanel. Now we have a video. If this is the first time you're seeing something like this, we have a video on the channel recorded few weeks back that shows you how to navigate your way on your cPanel and things you need to know. So once you are here on your cPanel, what you just have to do first for the kind of website we are doing, just locate a software called Softaculous app installer. So you can see it's right here. So we just have to click on that Softaculous app installer and let's wait for that to load up. So right here is my Softaculous. You can see the name right here. So this is Softaculous, and with Softaculous, now let me tell you what is Softaculous. Softaculous is actually something like on your mobile device. Now if you're using an Android, you have something like a Play Store, and if you're using an iOS, you have something like an Apple Store where you can install other applications into your mobile phone. You understand? That is just the same way a Softaculous functions. Now with this Softaculous, you can actually install all of these CMS you're seeing here. So and all of them can have their different purposes and uses. So whichever one you're using. So now for the purpose of this training, we are going to be using WordPress as you've seen right here. So I'm just going to come here and click on install right now. And then why I'm doing this, I don't want to install this on my primary domain. I want to install this into a directory. So what is the directory I am installing it to? So I'm installing it to gadgets. So because we want to do a gadget website, so let's say gadgets website. So that's okay for me. So I'm going to give my username, so admin gadgets, and I'm going to say password. So I'm going to give my password the name shift password at pass at admin. So let's say gadgets. So let's say that's okay for me. So I'm going to copy my password, Ctrl A and Ctrl C. I'm going to put it on a notepad. notepad. So yeah, this is a notepad. So open your notepad and I'm going to paste that, Control V. So that's okay, so that we don't forget it. And this is my admin username. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to come here and Shift Enter. I'm going to Control V and paste that. So that's okay for me. So I'm going to minimize this. So now let's proceed. So let's come down here. So remember, so now if you're doing this for a fresh work, just don't put anything here in the directory, or even if you see anything in the directory here, remove it and just install it directly to your primary domain name. So that's okay for me. So with that said, let's just click on install and this is going to install for me. So in a few minutes now or a few seconds, it is going to install for me. Whoa, so it has been installed for me. So I'm just going to right click on this. I'm going to right click and then open that in a new tab. But let me close all these tabs so that we don't get confused. So yeah, so this is my dashboard. So this is your WordPress dashboard. So it is from here now that we are going to start uploading our website theme that is going to perform the function of being able to create any kind of e-commerce websites. So now we have an a notification here to update. So let's just click on update now and let's wait for that to load up. So we need to update it. So update it to the latest version of WordPress. Okay, it's updating. Okay, whoa, my WordPress has been updated to version 6.5.3. So now with this we are ready to get started. Now we are using WordPress so that we are not going to be touching any line of code. So now we are going to be uploading the theme that is going to do this functionality for us. So now let me just come here. So you know how to do that. Just come here and locate your appearance. Now let me just try loading up this let's try loading up this domain name on a new browser. So now let's right click and open this in a new browser. You see that this domain name has nothing on it already. You can see that there is nothing on the website. It is as good as new. So you may be seeing this same thing on your own without any information after installing your WordPress. So now just watch. We are going to refresh this page whenever we are done uploading our theme. So now let's come back to our WordPress dashboard. So this is your admin dashboard. So from here now just locate appearance and then click on themes. So once I click on themes, you can see the already existing themes on the platform. So this is the one active on it. So you can see that this is the same thing you're seeing right here. So whichever you see is the same thing. So whichever one you select, it is going to change to that. So if I activate this now, the theme is going to change to this one. So let's wait for it to activate now. Is it activated? Okay, yeah, it is activated. So now let's come back here and reload this page. Let's see what we have. So what we can see that it has changed already to this one. So now let's come back here and click on add new themes. So we want to add a new theme that is going to do this functionality for us. So now I'm going to click on show files. I want to upload from my so this is the theme that is going to do this work for us. So don't worry, before the end of this video we'll tell you how to get access to this website template. So click on install now. So most times if your internet connection is not fast and strong, it may take a quite little time to install. So but you just have to take your time and allow it to install for you. There are two ways to actually do this. If you're uploading it from this end and it shows or delays and maybe at the end shows some error, there is another way to do it. So the other way to do it is to upload this from your cPanel, and for us to do that, let's just come back here and then let me right click and open this link in a new tab. So we come back to our cPanel and come to our file manager. So let's wait for that to load up. So yeah, here is our cPanel. So on this cPanel, once you're on your cPanel, locate your file manager. So once you're here is your file manager. So this is a second way to actually upload this any theme, or whether a theme or a plugin. This is another way to upload it if you're uploading from the admin dashboard on WordPress and it's not working. So now let's double click and come to our public_html. Now we created a folder which is called gadgets. So I'm going to double click and open it. So on this gadget, you're going to locate WP content. So it is on this content area that whatever thing you upload is going to show. So let me double click and open it. And I come to themes. And then I'm going to click on upload. So the same way, so this one is just that is a little bit technical, but the same outcome the other one is going to give you. That's the same thing this one is going to give you. So I'm going to double click on this, and I'm going to allow this a little bit of time to upload. So while this is uploading, let's check whether this one has come through. So okay, this one is still coming. So let's just cancel this one because it seems as if it's no longer working. So I'm just going to do something like so. It is no longer installing. So but had it been this one went through, this one is just after that you're going to see a prompt to activate and start using the theme. So but let's wait for this one. So this one is on 2%. So just make sure you have a strong internet connection and it is going to upload for you. So okay, so my theme has uploaded. So let me come back and then let's reload this again, and let's see if it comes out here. So you can see that this is my theme. So what I just have to do now is I just have to click on it. Either you right click and extract it. So you extract the files. So it has been extracted for me. So let me reload again. Whoa, so you can see that the folder has been created for me. So the script has been extracted. So now let's come back to the admin segment. So now let's come back here to themes and then let's refresh this. Let's confirm if the theme has been successfully uploaded for us. So you can see that we now have, wow, you can see that it is sitting right here. So guys, I believe you've been following through all this while. So now remember, we've got our domain name, we've got our hosting, and then we've logged onto our cPanel, which is where we installed WordPress. And I told you how to do it if you're installing WordPress for a fresh domain. And we are here right now. So once you're here, we've uploaded our theme. I've shown you two ways now that you can do that. So either you come here and click on themes, and then you click on add new and then upload files. If that one works for you, is cool, or you do it the way I showed you from the file manager. So whichever way you do it, it is fine and it will work perfect. So now you see that. So now this is my script. So once it's uploaded, my theme rather, I'll just have to click on activate. Let me wait for that to activate for me. Whoa, so you see that. So it says thank you for choosing our theme. Congratulations, you have successfully installed our theme. Now you can start creating amazing website with the help of our theme. So let's just click on let's start. So it's loading up. So this is actually a very robust website template that can allow you to build any kind of e-commerce website, whatever. So whichever one you want, so it allows you to do that. So let's wait for that to load up. So it says theme license, so theme is active. So I'm just going to click on next step. So it's asking me to install this child theme. I don't need it, so I'm just going to click on skip. So now which page builder do you want to use? So it's either you use Elementor or you use this one. So but Elementor is cool and it's going to help us to ease our drag and drop. So remember, we are not going to touch any line of code. This is just a drag and drop system that will help you easily deliver your website job. So I just have to click on next step. Whoa. So now these are some of the plugins required for the smooth running of this template. So we have Elementor, Woodmart core, slider, and all of. So I'm just going to click on install and activate all. So it has started installing for me. Okay, so all my themes has been installed and activated for me. So I just have to click on next step. So guys, you can see that we now have where we can select already pre-made and pre-built websites for any kind of e-commerce website we want to build. Now let's say you're building an e-commerce website for games. You're building an e-commerce website for a food delivery company or furniture or mega electronics for gadgets. So this is similar one to the one we are doing, and this one also. So let's say you're building an e-commerce website for a company that sells smart accessories, let's say real estate or school or beauty or sweet bakery or decoration or retail or marketplace, electronics, groceries, and many more. Guys, you can see that there are numerous and thousands of multi-purpose platforms that you can import, and then you can use them to build your e-commerce website. You can just edit them with drag and drop and the help of Elementor. You can drag them and drop and then edit your website and get to deliver your job, and you can actually charge a huge amount of money to get this done. So you can see that we keep on scrolling and there are thousands of them. Guys, it's cool and it's something you need to get. So with this you can actually build any kind of e-commerce website. So now let's say we want to import this because this is similar to what we are doing. So my preview template has started importing for me. Yo, so what's up guys? You can see that my theme has been imported successfully, and you can see that it says right here imported. So I can actually right click on this and then view this link on a new tab. And now let's try opening that page we opened before that is showing this. Okay, wow, you can see that. So now let's try refreshing it right here. So you can see that I'm just clicking on a refresh right there. So let's click on that and see what happens right now. Whoa, I believe my imported theme is coming up already. Let's just wait for that to come up. Wow, guys, you can see that my website is right here sitting pretty well. So you can see that. So I believe this is something that is awesome and cool. So guys, you can see that. Wow, this is cool, guys. You can see this, and from here we can start editing our website. So wow, guys, you can see that this is my website is actually sitting right here and it's cool. So let me just close this one so you can see. So I've just been able to import my website template, and you can see that my website template is sitting cool pretty well here, and you can see that everything is working. So I just need to now start setting this up and editing every content here to my own. So guys, in the next segment of this video I am going to be showing you how to edit this website template to suit that of your client, or if you're doing it for yourself, you can actually edit this to your taste and your client can also love what you're doing. So in the next segment I'm going to be showing you how to edit this, how you can actually change the logos, how you can change all these, the headers and the footers, how you can add payment gateways to receive your money whenever someone comes here to purchase something, and all of that. So in the next segment, that is what we are going to be doing.